Hello everyone. Today I will be speaking about a very important defense systems in a body, tumor suppressor gene. Is a What is a tumor suppressor gene? Tumor suppressor gene a normal gene that slow down cell division or tell cells die at the right time. A process known of apoptosis and programmed cells death. When tumor suppressor gene don't work properly, cells can growth or of control, which can lead to a cancer. A tumor suppressor gene is a like brake pen on a car is normally help keep the cell from dividing too quick. Just a brake keeps a car from going too fast. When something goes wrong with a tumor suppressor gene, such as a pathogen variant mutation that stop it from working, cell division can get off control. Inhibited changes in tumor suppressor gene have been found is some family cancer syndromes. They use creatine type of a cancer to run families, but most tumor suppressor gene mutation are acquired during person lifetime, not inhibited. For example, T50 TP53 is important tumor suppressor gene is code from the P53 protein, which help keep cell division under control. Inhibited changes in the TP53 gene can lead to leaf Freeman syndrome. Family members with this syndrome have a increased risk of several type of cancer because all of their cells have their this TP53 gene changes. So DNA repair genes, a graph of a DNA damage endogenous to cell with accurate DNA damage, some three parts, and DNA repair genes when a cell divide to make new cells. It need to make a new copy of all its DNA. This is a complex process and something its result in mistake in the DNA. Genes know us DNA repair genes act like person who repair a car. They help fix mistakes in the DNA of if they cannot fix them, they trigger the cells to die, so the mistake cannot cause an fatal problem. As with other type of gene changes in DNA repair genes can either be inhibited to from part of acquired during person lifetime. Example of DNA repair genes include the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. People who inherit a pathogenic variant mutation in one of these genes have a high risk of the some types of cancer, particularly breast or ovarian cancer among women. From more information, see family cancer syndromes. But changes in these genes are also something. See is tumor cells. People who did not inherit one of these mutations. Industrial gene therapy. Tumor suppression genes like P53 are after mutated in cancers, allowing cells to invade growth regulation. Gene therapy approach aim to restore the functions of these tumor suppressors. From example, P53 gene therapy is being tested to replace defective P53 in tumors. This re-enabling apoptosis and cell cycle arrest. Synthetic lethality. The concept of synthetic lethality is leverage in cancer therapies such as the use PARP inhibitor. Example, Olfribit, Olfarib. In BRCAP mutated cancer, the inhibitor of PART BRCA deficient cancer cell result catastrophic DNA damage leading to a cell's death. Mutation profiling of tumor suppressor gene like P53 and PTEN allow of personalized medicine strategies by identify specific mutation in patent targeted therapies can develop to control to correct or compensate for this genetic defect. Case studies: some Olperid for BRCA mutated cancer, Olafrid PARP inhibitor is particularly effective in cancer with BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutation. It exploits the synthetic lethality approach by inhibitor PARP in BRCA deficient cells, leading to a DNA damage accumulation in subsequent tumor regression in breast and ovarian cancer. Second, dancing P53 gene therapy gen, is a gene therapy product approved a chin and treatment head and neck cancer. It's involved the delivery of a function P53 gene into tumor cells, restoring a apoptotic response and suppressing tumor growth in patients with P53 mutation. PTEN loss is prostate cancer. The loss of PTEN, a tumor suppression gene, is common in prostate and cancer, lead to a uncontrolled cells growth. Ongoing clinical treat are exploring the use of PI3K means AKT pathway inhibitor to target and treat tumors with PTN loss. Some MCQs and answered thick pair sets activity. So cancer's biology multiple questions link and reference DNA repair. Thank you.